Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another useful tutorial video for your Windows PC. And today I'm going to show you how to fix your device is missing important security and quality fixes if you are having this problem to update your Windows. So let's fix this problem in this video. So I'm going to show you two methods how to fix it. The first method is select your start option here and now go to the settings option. Click here, and here you can see update and security. Just go there, and here you can find the option troubleshoot. Just click the option troubleshoot here, and here on the bottom you can see additional troubleshooters. Just click it here, additional troubleshooters, and you can see Windows updates. Just click it here and select run the troubleshooter. And as you can see, this is detecting your problem. It will scan your Windows update to fix that problem. So you have to wait for a bit. You can see checking for the pretending restart. After the checking is over, you have to restart your PC. I'm going to cancel it for now. And this is the first method. If this method doesn't work, so now you have to go to your search option, the second method, and type cmd. This is the command prompt, and right click it here and select run as administrator here. Then select yes again. And here you have to give the Windows some command, and those comments are this. I'm going to provide those comments in your description. So you just have to copy and paste. Just copy the first line here and paste it here and enter. You have to wait for this process. You have to do the same thing for every single comment. You have to just copy this from here. Copy, and just after finishing the previous command from, you have to paste it in your PC. So it is a lengthy process, but you have to keep your patience. My first command is completed. Now I'm going to copy the second command and do the same here again and enter. And again for the third one, copy it from here and again paste it here and enter. You have to do this patiently. It will take a little bit of time. Do it same again here. Do the next one and paste it here. Same, enter. Do it again. It might be boring, but you have to do it to fix the problem. I'm just showing all of this because if you messed it up, the problem will not be solved. You're almost over. And for the final command, just copy this and paste it here and click enter. The same process. And as you can see, beginning scan, this will take a few sometimes, so you have to wait a bit. And this is the final command that you are going to give it. And after doing this, after finishing the process, you have to restart your PC, and I hope that your problem will be fixed. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.